A showdown is now underway over the Republican senator's health care bill. Democrats say it will take coverage away from millions of Americans. And at least 9 Republican senators, both moderates and conservatives, say they either can't vote for the bill or have serious concerns. And President Trump has finally settled a major mystery, saying he did not record his conversations with fired FBI Director James Comey after sparking a flurry of speculation with that tweet. For weeks, the White House has refused to confirm or deny whether those tapes existed. We're going to have more on that in just a moment, but first, let's get to our congressional correspondent, Mary Bruce, for the latest on the health care showdown this morning. Good morning, Mary.
David, good morning. Well, the Senate bill has finally been unveiled, but for now, it's not going anywhere. Republicans are facing opposition from within their own party. If they still want to get this done next week, this morning, they're headed for renegotiations.
Save our liberty!
This morning, the health care fight is on. From the halls of Congress
Healthcare is a human right.
to the D.C. airport, where protesters gave senators a send-off and a mouthful. The new Senate Republican bill is even facing opposition from within.
I just didn't run on Obamacare Light. I didn't run on replacing it with more government programs.
Republicans can afford to lose just 2 votes, but already 4 conservatives are not on board. They say the bill doesn't do enough to repeal Obamacare, and moderate Republicans are concerned too. Some worry the bill repeals too much.
Obviously, it's a process where it deserves consideration and debate and not knee-jerk reaction.
The bill ends the central Obamacare requirement that everyone has to have health insurance, offers tax credits to help Americans buy coverage, but scraps subsidies to lower costs, rolls back the Obamacare expansion of Medicaid, but leaves in place protections for people with pre-existing conditions. Senators will spend the weekend reviewing the bill, but the big question remains, can they get the votes to push it over the finish line?
There are 52 of us. All of us have leverage, and the question for us is, are we going to deliver or not? This is an opening offer, not the final deal, so time will tell.
The White House says the president wants a bill with heart. So does this version do the trick?
Have enough heart, Mr. President?
Little negotiation, but it's going to be very good.
So now it's time to negotiate. Sources tell me Republican leaders always knew that tweaks would have to be made, but even the president admits it is going to be difficult to get these votes. He says there is a very, very narrow path to get this done.